pads from Dr. Denese. These jars are packed with power. Now, I just want to show you because all of them have these little pads packed inside. So if you're like, what's inside the jar? This is what's inside the jar. This is what you're going to use every single day. And it is your daily exfoliation, but there's also an Actizone Firming Factor in these pads. More than 2.4 million jars have been sold here at the Q. And I love that one of the reviews said, I can't believe the change. They could not believe the change that they saw in their skin, which is why we absolutely love them. Clean beauty, cruelty-free from Dr. Denese. And here's the really great reason for shopping for Dr. Denese here at the Q. One of these jars is $48. So 48 plus 48 is definitely not $66. So you're not even paying full price for two, and you're bringing 3 jars home. You could spend $144 on the same amount of product. We're doing it for $66 plus free shipping and handling. That sale price is not available tomorrow. But if you'd like for it to be available for you later on, lock it in on auto delivery. On auto delivery, you'll get 1 more shipment in 9 months for a total of 2 shipments, but you'll continue to pay that sale price of $66 for all 3. A350292 is your item number. It tackles pores, it tackles fine lines, it tackles wrinkles. It's innovative clean beauty. And Dr. Denese is here with us to talk all about it. She is the woman behind the brand. Powerful, clean, cruelty-free beauty. It's so good to see you. It's been a while, Dr. Denese.
It has been a while, and you were so good in introducing this product. I could have just gone into the background. I love you. You are so good. Thank you so much. You said all the essential things, but I would add a few things. So here it is. This little pad, in a handful of days, and I mean a handful of days, is going to change the landscape of your skin. This is your nightly 3-minute age eraser. That's how my customers refer to it. My nightly 3-minute age eraser. And this is exactly what's happening. It is glycolic acid-based firming facial pads. And it exfoliates your skin to perfection, to absolute perfection. It takes off dead old skin cells that cloud your complexion and make you look much older. It brings up fresh, young skin cells into the surface. So your skin is fresh and much better looking. It changes the look of lines. It really sincerely does. Within a very short time, you'll be looking for some of the lines that used to be there, and they are not. How important is that? This little pad actually does 5 very important things. 1, it shrinks the look of pores. It really does. You will see. You will remember my words. It deep cleans your pores because we always have some dirt or makeup or oil plug that remains in the pores, and then the pores just grow and grow and grow in size. That is terrible. So it deep cleans your pores as well. It genuinely, truly changes the look of lines and wrinkles. It evens out your skin tone, and I have a cutimeter study to show that, in fact, it firms your skin. So this name here, Advanced Firming Facial Pads, in fact, reflects reality. We have the Actizone Firming Factor, as you pointed out very, very brightly. And that is one of the main components.
Now, Dr. Denese,
yes.
I want to ask you, because we have less than 400 to go around, can you talk us through our before and afters? Because when we see the results, and you have to be reminded too, it's clean beauty, cruelty-free. And these are the results we're seeing from just using your facial firming pads.
Exactly. So look at this. Let's start at the corner of the mouth. See those hills and valleys? That's because the skin is lacking firmness, the skin is aging. On the after, the hills and valleys are much more shallow. Why is that? The skin is firming, lines and wrinkles are less apparent. Then you look at the nasolabial fold. That is the line that runs from the nose to the corner of the mouth. On the after, it is shorter. It is more shallow. Why is that? Because yes, I am promising you, it's going to change the landscape of your skin. Here we can focus on the pores, on the before, quite different from what we see on the after. And also there is the color change. On the before, the skin is somewhat not even and it's kind of darkish. On the after, it is more bright. And that is really important. So this pad is truly a game changer. In addition to its inherent value in exfoliating, it preps the skin for the next step. So whatever you put on next is going to be able to work much harder. So there you go. You are holding this key product. This is such an important product, girls. Honestly, this is one of the most important I ever made. So as you let's go over it again. So it addresses 5 issues: shrinks the look of pores, deep cleans your pores. It changes the look of lines and wrinkles dramatically. It evens out your skin tone, and it firms your skin. And nighttime, all you do is at nighttime, take out a pad and wash your face first, and then wipe your face. And there is my pad here. Wipe your face, and especially where you see pores and clogged pores and enlarged pores. And let's say you have lines across the forehead or the nasolabial fold. Go back and forth. It's not like just 1, 2, 3 and then throw it away. No, take your time, half a minute to a minute. Go back and forth, and remember, you are literally wiping away the look of lines.
And
That's
Dr.
what you are
Denese, when
doing.
we're using it too,
Yes.
right? We don't want to go over our eyes or do our
Yes.
neck, right? Because I know I try to use these and I don't read directions first sometimes. And I did
Yes.
go down to my neck and I was like, oh no, no, we don't go to our neck. We just do the face and not the eyes, correct?
You are so smart. Yes. No, not around the eyes. No, the neck is very, very sensitive. So do it maybe once a week, and that's it. I do it twice a week, but I've been working with this for about 20 years now. So I do it twice a week, but start with once a week. The neck is very sensitive. The chest, however, can be done every day.
Oh, good.
And remember, just look at your chest. Do you have lines and wrinkles? Okay, go back in 2 weeks' time and try to find those lines and wrinkles. Go
Can we
back in, I'm not kidding you,
can we
go
look
back in
at
2 weeks' time.
your studies, Dr.
Yes,
Denese? Because you
yes,
really
let's
put your
look.
products to the test.
Oh, definitely, I always do. Now, this one is it comes off very slowly, unfortunately, but it's very interesting numbers. So there you go. Firmness and elasticity. In 80% of the cases, customers said, yes, my skin is more firm and more elastic. Pores are more cleansed, and 90% of them said, my skin has better tone. And every single one of them said, yes, my skin is more exfoliated, and it really is much more exfoliated. This is my favorite. This is so telling. And we have to analyze this one, girls. So it looks on the before, there's a sallowness, yellowish tone to your skin. That is dead old skin cells sitting on top of the skin, and they don't want to exfoliate. As we grow older, we exfoliate less and less. On the after, look at that. There's a pinkness to the skin, a youthful pink color. The yellow, sallow, oldish tone went away. There's pinkness to it. Also, if you look at the number of lines on the before, they are crowding the skin. They are all over the place. On the after, there are some, but far less. And this is 4 weeks later. I mean, this is the most important, most telling before and after among all of them. It's very impressive.
It is. And when you look
Yes.
at our offer that we have right now,
Oh,
this
yes.
is 300 because you're getting 100,
300.
100, 100. You use it once a day at night. So that's almost
Exactly.
a year. That's almost a year right here.
Imagine that.
I
Next January,
know.
we'll talk. Yes.
And then you lock in the price on auto delivery. That's why we're doing one more shipment in 9 months. Because right now we have a sale price. So, I mean, our sale price is already great, $66. But when you look at what you could be spending, because each jar would be 48, we're not even at full price for 2, but you're bringing 3 home with free shipping and handling and an easy pay that is under $14. And if you want to lock in that sale price that won't be available tomorrow, auto delivery is the way to do it. So you'll get that additional shipment, but you'll keep the sale price that we have going on right now. That is $66, because when you get them home and start using them nightly, get that daily exfoliation, and you see what they can do for you, you're going to want to keep it coming, right, Dr. Denese? You're not going to want to go a night
No
without
doubt.
these.
No doubt, Vanessa, you are such a delight. You make such good points. I mean, you are really, really wonderful.
Oh,
Here's
thank
what
you.
I'm doing secretly while I'm talking. I have been peeling my hands for about 8 minutes, absolutely love it. In fact, one of the reasons I love to be on these shows is because I have a chance to feel my hands. Usually I forget, but there you go. And the change is going to be profound. Tomorrow I'm going to look for some of my lines and I won't be able to find them. How great is that? Give it a try, maybe once a week. Spend like 4 or 5 minutes on your hand and peel back and forth. It is so effective. You'll be able to see the power of these pads on your hands. Okay, look at that. Look at the dry, scaly, dead old skin cells, the yellow on top. That's what we want to get rid of. So here we go. The pad is going back and forth. See, it's not enough to just do it once. Go back and forth, and we are shaving off. We are getting rid of the dead old skin cells. Remember that older lady with the yellowish skin? We got rid of the dead old skin cells, and her skin brightened up, became much more youthful in its color, and of course in texture as well, and in lines and wrinkles. So this is something that we all have to have, girls. We truly, truly do, because it is a key to fresh, young, healthy looking skin. And also it's, yes, sorry.
I was going to say, and it's almost a year supply.
Almost a year. It's like
supply.
Ridiculous. You can forget about buying another pad until 24. How wonderful is that?